Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another unboxing by Venom from PC Peasants. We're now checking out a budget lavalier microphone by Boya. It's the Boya BY-M1 microphone. It's got a 6-meter long cable and takes a LR44 battery. It's one of those clip-on lavalier mics that you must have seen a lot of YouTubers use for unboxings, for podcasts, for like live streams, whatever. I'm going to be using this mostly for recording for podcasts. The good thing about these microphones, especially the one Boya does, is it's actually one of the cheapest microphones that I could find at 1,300 rupees, and it also connects to the smartphone, the camera, and PC, so that's a great thing. So right now I'm recording this video footage on a Rode shotgun video microphone, which comes in around 5,000 rupees. It's a little more expensive, so if you're looking for something on a budget, we're going to actually compare the Rode Videomicro to the Boya lavalier mic and see what the difference is. Okay guys, we've just unboxed the Boya microphone, and these are the things that you get. You get a little information booklet, you get a adapter, you get a resin pouch, and of course this is the lavalier microphone. It has it comes with a windscreen. It also comes with a tie clip which goes onto your shirt or your tie, and you can use it to tether it to your clothing. The battery pack, of course, goes on your belt buckle. It's meant to go on your belt buckle, and it comes with a LR44 battery, which is housed in the inside. Just gonna unscrew this and show you guys. There you go. That's it. That's the LR battery, and you screw it back in, and that's it. All right, so now we are all mic'd up, and I have the microphone going to the inside of my shirt and pinned to the collar, and as you can see, it sounds amazing. It actually sounds even better than the Rode microphone. So that's one great thing. This is perfect for indoor recording. I'm going to be doing a lot of my virtual reality live streams with this. You guys have already seen what the Rode microphone does, and that's 5,000 rupees, and this is 1,300 rupees. This is perfect for all you upcoming YouTubers, live streamers, whatever. This is pretty value for money. You don't have to go for the expensive Audio Technica ones, which is at 3,000 rupees at the time. The only disadvantage to this is if the battery dies, and you will not know. So if you're going to plug this in to your DSLR, do a quick sound check every time you start, because there's a good chance that it is going to run out at some point, and then you'll have to replace the batteries. Another thing is, replacing the batteries is a bitch. I found it really difficult to do it. Took me about 20 minutes to actually just put the battery in, because I damaged the spring which holds the battery into the battery casket. So that kind of sucked, but otherwise this is much better audio. I'm going to be doing a lot of my videos on this audio. If you're connecting this to a Canon video camera or a DSLR, just make sure that your mic is set to manual in the settings, and you need to also reduce the gain all the way till the end. If you have the recording volume at a very high recording volume, it will be weird and jarring. So make sure it's maybe just 5 clicks from 0 to the right side, and you will be fine. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Boya lavalier microphone. I hope it makes great content for you guys in the coming days. This is Venom from PC Peasants. Peace and happy gaming. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Click here for racing games, click here for WWE, and click on the doggy for the subscribe button. And if you hit the bell icon, you will get a notification on your phone when I go live with my live stream. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.